Hi there! Today we will be making microwave grilled cheese sandwiches. This is one of our most popular vlog recipes and it is not hard to see why. First, you will need 2 slices of bread, some sliced cheese, and some softened butter. Place your bread into the toaster and toast until it is done. Carefully remove the bread from the toaster and place it onto a plate. Take some softened butter and spread a thin layer of butter over one side of each slice of bread. Take 1 slice of toast and flip it over. Add your cheese. You can use 1 slice or 2. Take the other side of toast and form a sandwich with the butter facing out. Pop it in the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds. The cheese should be melted and the sandwich should be hot. Serve and enjoy.